Since 1987, Auckland Steam and Dry prides itself in providing the best possible clean using the most superior equipment, so you get a 7 times better carpet cleaning result. If a carpet looks dirty, it's likely filthy, and a filthy carpet can be a serious health risk. Simulating residues helps with testing various equipment and processes. Carpet acts as a large sinkhole of residues. You should see what comes out of carpet. It's usually disgusting after 6 months. Auckland Steam and Dry leaves 200% less resoiling residue in your carpet. 84 degrees hot steam kills viruses, allergens, germs, dust mites and mold. Our large superior truck mounted equipment gives 7 to 10 times more PSI, heat, suction performance and value than most other cleaners, so you get a far drier finish. Family owned since 1987, see our online reviews. Auckland Steam and Dry. We love what we do, and so will you.